If you're wondering how to integrate Process.st with other tools, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to connect Process.st to various platforms, boosting your workflow and productivity like never before. By the end, you'll know exactly how to streamline your processes across different tools with just a few clicks. Before we dive in, if you're new to Process.st, it's a powerful process management tool that lets you automate workflows and create repeatable processes for your team. And the best part? You can try it out for free with our exclusive bonuses through the link below. Now let's get into how to integrate Process.st with other tools. The first thing to know is that Process.st allows seamless integrations with a variety of apps, from Google Drive to Slack and even Salesforce. These integrations allow you to centralize your tasks, automate actions, and collaborate effortlessly. You'll see your tasks and workflows sync automatically, saving you time and reducing manual work. To start, let's talk about the Zapier integration. Zapier is an automation tool that lets you connect Process.st with over 2,000 apps. For example, you can create a Zap that automatically starts a new process in Process.st whenever a new lead is added to your CRM or when a form is filled out on your website. It's all about creating custom workflows that fit your business. Next up is Slack. If your team uses Slack for communication, this integration is a game changer. You can trigger notifications from Process.st directly into Slack channels. Imagine getting a Slack notification when a task is completed or when a process is started. It's an easy way to stay up to date with what's happening in real time without leaving your messaging app. If you're a Google Drive user, you can link Process.st to your Drive to attach files and documents directly to your tasks and processes. This makes file management more organized, ensuring everything is in one place, easily accessible by your team. Simply select a Google Drive file, and it will automatically be attached to the relevant task in your workflow. For those using Salesforce, Process.st's Salesforce integration allows you to trigger processes based on customer interactions. For instance, when a new lead is entered into Salesforce, you can set up an automated task or checklist in Process.st to kick off follow-up actions. This helps keep your sales team organized and ensures that no important steps are missed. One of the most powerful integrations with Process.st is its ability to connect with Trello. If you're already using Trello for project management, the integration lets you automate creating Trello cards when a task or project in Process.st is started or completed. This is perfect for teams that rely heavily on Trello but want to add the structure and automation that Process.st offers. To add an integration, all you need to do is go to the Integrations section in your Process.st settings. From there, you can find all the apps and platforms that you can connect to. Most integrations are simple and intuitive, allowing you to connect with just a few clicks. If you're using a tool that isn't available in the standard list, you can use the API to create custom integrations so you can build a solution tailored to your unique needs. One of the benefits of integrating Process.st with other tools is the ability to automate and speed up workflows. No more wasting time on repetitive tasks or data entry. These integrations help centralize your work, making it easy to track, manage, and collaborate on projects without needing to juggle multiple platforms. Before I wrap up, remember that you can get started with Process.st for free. You can even access our exclusive extended trial through the first link below. This is your chance to try out all these powerful integrations and see how Process.st can work for you. So, if you're looking to supercharge your workflow by integrating Process.st with other tools, these integrations are a great place to start. With just a few simple steps, you'll be automating processes, saving time, and boosting productivity in no time. If you have any questions about integrating Process.st or anything else, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial through the link.